Good morning, everyone, from Steve's Homestead Workshop. My name is Ellie. Welcome to our channel. Today is June 8th, 2024, and I want to give you a garden update and show you how it's been doing. Now, as you remember, I laid down a bunch of boxes. And if you remember from the last video, I was kind of trying to follow along the Garden of Eden method plan. Although I didn't kill the grass before I started, I just laid empty cardboard boxes over the top of the dirt. And then I added pine flakes on top of that, a pretty thick layer. And then over that, I put down hay. And I think it's done a fair job, although I do still have weeds coming through. I think the key is to lay down quite a few boxes before you start. But it'll be okay. Over here I have lots of tomatoes, different varieties, and I have some herbs planted in between. I think that's a motherwort. Some of the names of the herbs, I just can't remember the names of them. Our grapevine was doing pretty good. The leaves look kind of munched on. I've been fighting bugs in the garden. I've been using diatomaceous earth and neem oil and soap in water. And I can put the recipe down below if you're interested. More tomatoes along this line. I've got some peppers in here. I think a lot of bell pepper, some cayenne, and there's a new one I planted, a habanada. The habanada pepper is a new variety that they created, and it's just like a habanero, except it doesn't have the heat, which I'm real excited about. I can't wait to use it in some recipes. Over here I have squash and zucchini. And we've been getting quite a few zucchini and some squash. Over here is another grapevine. This is a red grapevine, and it hasn't done as well as the Concord grapevine. As you can see over here on the Concord, it got quite a few grapes on it. They're not ripe yet, but they should be getting ripe pretty soon. Over here, these little flowers, it's, I don't know the name of it, but they call it the toothache plant, because supposedly you can use it to help with the pain of a toothache. And I've never tried that before, and if you do happen to try it, you should always ask your doctor before trying any herbs. Over here is a mullein plant. Here's a pretty sunflower. I do think I'll try this method again with the cardboard boxes. Although this time I want to apply more empty cardboard boxes on top of the soil. And also before I lay them down, I want to add wood flakes before I put the cardboard down. And I want to water it also before I put the cardboard down. In front of the garden right here is my little flower bed. Over on this side of the garden, the boxes I had at that point were pretty thin. So this side didn't do as well as the other side. As you can see, I have lots of weeds and grasses coming up. In here I have okra and cucumber. The cucumber's been doing pretty well. We've been getting quite a few cucumbers on it, which I'm real pleased with them. All right, everyone. Well, I think that's it for the day. I hope you enjoy your day and everybody have a good day. And I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.